National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for Lake Michigan from North Point Light, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, until 3:45 p.m. At 2:19 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located 12 nautical miles east of Winthrop Harbor, moving northeast at 50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. A